Alright, got a 2018 Ford Fiesta. We're going to be doing the main battery. So let's start off with the basics. We're going to be using a 10 millimeter. We're going to be taking out the first things first. We're going to take out the negative. I'm going to take out the negative terminal. So like that we can turn off the power. Wiggle it out. Now that that's out, let's go ahead and start loosening out the power, which is over here. Now that that's loosened up, let's go ahead and take it out. Alright, now that that's out, next step now is to take out this bracket here. And then grab an electric ratchet. I'll be right back. Alright, let's go ahead and start taking it out. And I put it to the side. I put down the ratchet and I take this out. Alright. Now we're just going to pick up the battery. Make sure you have space. Alright, so my problem right now is that right here, that's where the ground for the battery is located at. I need to take that out to get access to removing it. So I'm gonna grab myself a socket for it. And take it out. It's going to be an 8 millimeter. Take out the connector. And now we should be able to take it out. Alright, with the battery now out, now we can place in the battery. Now that that's in, we're going to go ahead and start reconnecting the connectors. But before I do that, let's go ahead and start reconnecting this. I'm going to go ahead and start putting this bracket on. Grab the bolts, install them in. I'm going to connect the power side first. Make sure it's sitting flushed. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and bolt in the ground. Alright. Now that we've verified that that's in, we're going to grab the rat. We're going to grab my hand rat. And we're gonna just snug it down. That's snug. Bear in mind, when you connect the negative to the spark a bit, you'll be fine. Alright, now that that's in, I'm gonna grab my electric ratchet again, grab the 10 millimeter, and I'm gonna start tightening the bracket. Alright, now I'm gonna grab my ratchet. Gotta make sure these are snug. Okay, good. Now let's tighten up the power side. Once you feel it's starting to get snug, once you feel it getting a little tight, go ahead and give it a little wiggle test to verify it's good. If it's still loose, go ahead and just give it one more snug until you feel that it's perfectly tight and recheck it again. Now we're going to tighten up the negative side. Let's take a look. Alright, just one more for extra safety. Alright. And that right there is how you replace your battery.